We have here Alex. So Alex now is going to try his connection to the drone. He only connected it in today, so he's going to test that. So Alex, go ahead. The drone is ready. The drone is flying, Alex. Congratulations. So what can you do on the drone, Alex? Oh, you can do flips. Okay. Wow. Okay. He's actually flipping the drone. Isn't that amazing? All right. Must be a big smile on Alex's face. He's smiling. Okay, he's steering it around. Okay, very good. Fantastic. So everybody here is really amazed at this drone. You can see we have a class here. This is the first time today that they're actually connecting to this drone and they're programming it. And a few have already changed the dashboard. So Alex is actually just steering it and moving it around at the moment. Very good. Okay. Excellent work, Alex. Alex will then be improving the dashboard as well. All right, very good. Let's see another flip. See if it's happy. Whoa, okay, very good. Thanks, Alex. Can you actually make it land? Oh. Great. Good work, Alex.